By default, the shortcut for symmetry allows for left-right symmetry, but there are a couple more options under the symmetry settings. There are two types of symmetry, radial symmetry and planar symmetry. In planar symmetry, changes will be mirrored across the selected planes, and you can select multiple planes at the same time. Planar symmetry can be applied during sculpting or using other tools, or it can be used to mirror existing objects and new objects that are not validated. For unvalidated objects, make sure to enable the mirror and adjust the symmetry. To mirror existing objects that are already validated, under mirroring, press right to left or left to right, depending on the situation. Also, be sure the radial is set to 1 if you don't want any radial symmetry. Radial symmetry is symmetry around an axis. When customizing, first make sure to deselect any planar symmetry. If you're using a tool, be sure to turn on symmetry, and if you're adding an unvalidated object, be sure to turn on mirror. When you pick a radial axis, it will actually show up as a plane, but the axis is just the line poking through this plane, in other words, the normal to this plane. So if I pick Y, the axis of symmetry is through the green plane. Note: currently, radial symmetry can't be used to mirror existing objects. Finally, you can also use a combination of radial and planar symmetry, but some of the settings will be limited. For example, I can't have X planar symmetry and also Y radial symmetry.